Find out the secret method to land big clients for your web development business now! Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Stay tuned till the end, as this video not only covers strategies to attract clients to your web development company, but also unveils additional insights that will take your client acquisition skills to the next level. Identifying your target audience is crucial for a web development company. It's about pinpointing who needs your services and their specific requirements. Consider the types of businesses that would benefit from your expertise and their geographic locations. Tailoring your marketing to this audience increases the efficiency of your efforts. Understanding potential clients' needs is vital. Know what they expect from a website, whether it's user-friendliness, SEO optimization, or innovative designs. By aligning your services with these needs, you position yourself as the solution to their problems, enhancing your chances of being hired. A diverse and strong portfolio is essential. Include various types of websites you've built. This showcases your versatility and skill, providing potential clients with a clear understanding of your capabilities and the quality of work they can expect from you. Competitive pricing attracts clients, but don't compromise quality. Research your competitors' pricing and position yours accordingly. Balance offering fair prices with maintaining the high quality of your services to provide true value to your clients. Online marketing is crucial in the digital era. Utilize social media, your own website, and digital marketing platforms to reach a broader audience. This approach allows you to showcase your services globally, engage with potential clients, and build brand awareness. SEO increases your company's visibility online. Incorporate specific keywords that potential clients might use when searching for web development services. Effective SEO practices improve your search engine ranking, making it easier for potential clients to find your business. A strong social media presence can significantly attract clients. Platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram are ideal for showcasing your projects, sharing content, and engaging with your audience. Regular updates and valuable content can expand your reach and foster client relationships. Networking with peers in the industry can open up new opportunities. Join online forums, attend events, and engage in web development communities. This can lead to referrals, collaborations, and a broader understanding of the market. Tech conferences and events are great for attracting clients. They provide a platform to showcase your expertise, meet potential clients, and learn about new trends and technologies. Direct interactions at these events can lead to fruitful client relationships. Free consultations can be a game changer. They allow you to understand a client's needs and showcase how your services can help. This builds trust and gives you insights into tailoring your services to their specific requirements. Exceptional customer service is key to retaining clients and getting referrals. Respond promptly, deliver projects on time, and provide support post-completion. Happy clients often become repeat customers and can refer new clients to you. Utilizing your existing client base for referrals is a smart move. Satisfied clients are likely to refer others to you. Offer subtle incentives for referrals like discounts on future services to encourage this practice. Collaborating with other businesses can offer more comprehensive solutions to clients. For instance, partner with specialists in areas you don't cover. This can make your business a one-stop solution for clients, increasing your attractiveness. Keeping up with the latest trends and technologies is crucial in web development. This knowledge allows you to offer innovative solutions, setting you apart from competitors. Stay informed through continuous learning and industry engagement. Content marketing can draw potential clients. Share insights and valuable information through various formats like blogs or videos. This establishes your expertise and can improve your search engine rankings, attracting more visitors to your site. Enjoying the journey through our content? Extend the exploration. Hit subscribe, mark your path with a like, and ring the bell for more adventurous content. Ready to uncover more? Let's venture back in. Customized solutions meet unique client needs. Understand each client's specific challenges and tailor your services to address them. This personalized approach can lead to higher client satisfaction and loyalty. Targeting local businesses can be a fruitful strategy. Many local companies lack web development expertise. By offering your services, you help them establish an online presence while also growing your own client base. Email marketing keeps your company in potential clients' minds. A compelling newsletter with engaging content and special offers can capture interest. Regular, value-added emails can turn subscribers into clients. Crafting a persuasive sales pitch is crucial. Highlight the benefits of your services and why you stand out from competitors. A compelling pitch can turn prospects into clients by clearly stating the value you bring. A CRM system streamlines client management, improving efficiency and customer service. It helps track interactions and manage follow-ups, ensuring no client is overlooked. This organization can lead to better service and more referrals. Offering discounts to new clients can be a good strategy. It provides an incentive for potential clients to try your services at a lower risk. Ensure these offers are well communicated and accessible to attract new business. After-sales support is crucial for long-term client relationships. Offering continued assistance after a project builds trust and loyalty. This can lead to repeat business and positive word of mouth. Showcasing client testimonials and reviews builds credibility. Positive feedback from past clients can persuade others to choose your services. Ensure these testimonials are prominent on your website and marketing materials. Collaborating with businesses in related fields can broaden your client base. Establish partnerships where you can refer clients to each other. This not only expands your network, but also provides comprehensive solutions to clients. Digital advertising, such as PPC campaigns, can effectively increase visibility. Target your ads to reach your desired audience. Well-managed campaigns can drive quality traffic to your website, leading to potential client conversions. Running a blog demonstrates your expertise. Regularly post informative content related to web development. This not only educates your audience, but also improves your site's SEO, drawing more traffic. Hosting webinars and online workshops showcases your knowledge and skills. These events can attract potential clients and provide a platform for engagement. Use these sessions to share valuable insights and promote your services. Utilizing LinkedIn effectively can connect you with potential clients. Regularly post updates, engage in relevant groups, and share your expertise. This professional network is ideal for connecting with businesses that may need your services. Offering additional services like SEO or web hosting can make your company more appealing. Providing a full suite of services simplifies the process for clients and can lead to more business and better client retention. Continual learning ensures your services remain relevant and competitive. Stay updated with new web development trends and technologies. This commitment to staying current can attract clients looking for cutting-edge web solutions. Launch into your digital business adventure. Your starting point is our free ebook, an invaluable resource revealing today's most compelling online business strategies. But the journey to mastery doesn't end with reading. A specially designed 15-day challenge is your next venture, offering an immersive experience to apply these strategies in the real world, all while being guided by digital business aficionados. This is where you shift from absorbing concepts to executing them, armed with a comprehensive toolkit for success in the dynamic digital marketplace. Ready to step into the limelight? Embark with enthusiasm! Click the link in the description and begin shaping your future as a digital business pioneer. Dimming the stage lights on today's e-earning dance performance. Stepped into the method, graceful moves, or a few missteps? Share your dance review in the comments. Did today's financial choreography lead you to a standing ovation? Click like to applaud the rhythm. Ready to learn more money-making dance moves? Subscribe and lace up your shoes, ensuring you're ready for every beat of opportunity. Before you exit the dance floor, see that video in the spotlight? It's a masterclass in another genre of e-earning dance. Step in, and let's keep twirling towards digital prosperity. Until our next encore performance,